What's up, bacon cakers?
I'm Kat and this is Millie.
Today we're making a cheesecake.
But not just any cheesecake.
A colorful one.
Yay! There's 10 steps to making the cheesecake we are going to make today. And the first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Now we have our springform pan
And a tin foil.
Okay, that beautiful noise.
So you cut it into strips like this, and then you put it around the outside
of the cheesecake tin. And these can fall apart easily, so
you want to make sure
they're really tightly on there. Boom. Ta-da! Okay, so we have the second step.
You have to mix the crushed graham crackers, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of salt together in a bowl.
But the thing is, we haven't crushed our graham crackers, so let's do that now.
We're going to show you how we do it. So this is step 2. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to crush the graham crackers. We have kind of an interesting way of doing it, so we're going to show you how.
And take your meat mallet on this side. We're going to go.
Okay, so after you're finished with your graham crackers, you're going to put them in a bowl. So after you have it in a bowl, you can move it to a bigger bowl. Then you're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar in the graham crackers. Okay, now you need to add a half teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt in the bowl. Okay, so now you have to add the melted butter. It says to have it softened, but we always prefer to melt it when we're doing this recipe. It is 6 tablespoons, by the way, but we'll link the recipe below.
Okay, so now we have our graham cracker mix, and the next step is to put it into the springform pan. So start with a little bit at a time. Just keep pressing it down. Now we have formed our crust, and so now we're going to take it to the oven.
Okay, so now we're on to step 4. To make filling, you have to cut the cream cheese into pieces and add it to the mixing bowl. So you want to cut it like this in straight lines.
The crust is now done, so we're going to take that away and cool it off. And we're going to put the oven down to 325. Okay, so now that we have our cream cheese cut up and in our mixing bowl, we're going to put it on medium for 4 minutes. Now we have our beaten cream cheese, and we're going to add the rest of the ingredients for our filling.
So to make the filling, after you cut the cream cheese and you put it in for 4 minutes, you have to add the 1 1/3 cups of sugar and continue to beat until it's smooth again.
Tip for blending. You want to scrape down the sides often so you can get as much ingredients mixed in as possible.
So after you have your cream cheese and sugar mixed in until they're blended together, what you want to do is you want to add the vanilla, the salt, sour cream, and the heavy cream and beat until smooth.
Our next step is to add the eggs. We're going to beat each egg in slowly at a time. We have 4 eggs. We have our batter now, and we're going to put it into 3 different bowls because we're doing 3 different colors. And now we have our 3 bowls, so now we're going to color them. Now we have our 3 different bowls with 3 different colors. We have purple, pink, and blue. Now that we have our 3 colors, we're going to put them into the springform pan with the rest of our graham cracker colors. Okay, so how you're going to do this is you're going to layer it. The first color we're going to put in is our beautiful, beautiful blue. Okay, so
She's obsessed with the color blue, so.
Just pour it right in smack dab in the center.
At the end, this cake should kind of look like a bullseye.
Now our final color is pink. I'm going to pour it right into the center. Kat, can you hand me a spatula? We're going to bake it at 325 for around 40 minutes to an hour.
So after you have the cake in the oven, you want to put it in the fridge
For about 4 hours.
Okay, so what we did is we added a little whipped cream topping, We don't do like buttercream or anything too special because the cheesecake has enough taste by itself. But something like this is nice.
Now we are going to cut into the cheesecake. Now we are going to taste the cheesecakes.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Gracias.
This was Kat and Millie's baking show. Thank you.